love that. Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. Excellent! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. That's the way! Just slice or tap it to open. Which way do you want to go? Right leads to the town square station. Left leads to the haunted castle. Left leads to the haunted castle. Right leads to the tunnel. Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. That's perfect! Great! Thanks a lot for your help.